Knockout view model always have the latest value. To see that, we will take out the last name and the full name. So we will remove these two parts from the view, and also we don't need this computed property for now. So what we have, just a first name, just the input and the span tag. Now if we copy first input tag and paste it multiple times, so we paste it like 3 different times, save it, and we refresh it here. Now if you update these values, say AAA, and you see everywhere the values get updated. You change it here, and everywhere the first name is used, get the latest value. Now for example, you want to get notified when somebody changes the value anywhere. The way of doing it, very simple. You come here and object first name, and you want to subscribe the changes. That means if anybody change the first name, this subscribe function would be fired. So you will pass the function, and inside you can run any function, do whatever you want to do. For the time being, you want to log some changes here. Say someone has changed my first name. Go to the UI and we refresh it. You can change the value here, and you get the log that someone changed your first name. You can change somewhere else, and you get that notifications. For some reason, if you want to get the latest updated value, you can pass parameter like the value, and this would be the latest value. To prove it, let's console log the value and see what it logged for us. If I change this value AAA, you see that it logged AAA. If you change something here, and you get the latest value. Now I have a problem. You get the latest value when someone type the values and press enter, so you have to wait the user to press the enter button. If you become little impatient and want to get updated for every key up, you can easily do it. And the way of doing it, in the data bind, you can put multiple bindings separating by comma. So you want to get the updated value, so you will tell Knockout, hey Knockout, update the values, and Knockout will ask you when to update. You will say, okay, update when the key is up. Save it. If you go to the UI, refresh it, and if you put A, you see the log. If you put B, you see log. You put D, and the log gets the latest whenever you key up. And we only binded this key up on the first one. So if you change it here, it will not log the latest change. It will log when you press enter.